everybody, it's Danica on the coast. I am coming to you from Waterscape today. I want to show you around one of my condos. You can find me on the web at rentwaterscape.com. I hope to see you soon. Let's go have a look. Hey everybody, I'm Danica on the coast and I'm here today to show you this beautiful 2-bedroom condo, A404. We're on the 4th floor of Waterscape. We're only 2 units from the sand. This unit is marvelous and I can't wait to show it to you. So come inside and let's have a look. This unit has one of the most marvelous kitchens in Waterscape. The granite that these owners selected is just beautiful and they spared no expense for you. We have this nice granite sink as well. This remodel was just done over the winter time and it just turned out beautiful. I want to show you around the kitchen a little bit because I want you to be aware of what we furnish and what we don't, so it will help you pack. The first thing I want you to notice is that we have a Keurig and a regular coffee maker, so no matter how you like to brew your Joe, we're ready for you. We have both glass and plastic dishes, and the reason that we have the plastic dishes is because we have grills down on our pool deck, and you may want to go out with your family and friends and grill dinner. And so you can just take our plastic dishes because glass is not allowed on the pool deck. Some of the other things that we have inside the unit are, of course, silverware. This unit has really fun, fancy silverware. We get compliments and comments on the most peculiar things, and the silverware does come up quite often. We have lots of kitchen gadgets for you. We try our best to do a really good job of making sure that there are ample things for you to cook with, not so that you have to use one spatula and then wash it before you flip your next egg. See what I mean? And we have Tupperware for you. Under here, well, my videographer and I have stuck a little bit of our junk under here, but we have a toolbox under here and a fire extinguisher, some extra light bulbs, and some cleaner. We have your pots and pans, cutting boards, Teflon skillets. I do try to keep my Teflon skillets in good order for you, so we check those annually for scratches. If you find a problem with anything, all you need to do is reach out to me and I'll fix it. These are our kitchen linens. We have our knife block and more gadgets over here. Glasses. We have our mixer up here. This stuff kind of moves around from week to week as people use it and move it. So just look around if things aren't exactly where I say that they are. But we do, for the most part, have all of our cabinets labeled to try to help you get things where they go. But just look around if you're looking for something and you can't find it. And here we have our crock pot, our mixing bowls, Pyrex dishes, a toaster, a rice cooker, a blender, a waffle maker. We really try to do a good job to make you feel like this kitchen is your kitchen. We also have a beautiful front load washer and dryer. So perhaps you don't have to pack so much because you can just wash your laundry while you're here. And while you're washing your laundry, you might as well sweep. The broom is in here. This is our air conditioner closet, so no need for me to open that up really. This is our bunk room, where we have, of course, bunk beds for the kids. We have a smart TV on the top and bottom, and the kids really love to cozy up in this area for a nap or to say goodnight. We have a door on this unit that we have put in so that your kids can rest quietly and maybe you can enjoy some adult time. We have 3 bar stools here under the kitchen sink, plus this table, which has a stool also on the back side that you can't see. This unit sleeps 8 people. Everyone can fit around this table. And if somebody wants to eat at the bar, they can do that as well. This is our half bath. And now I'm going to show you the master bedroom. This unit is just so beautiful. The view here is just splendid. We are only steps from the sand. We are the second 2-bedroom from the front of the resort, so we do call this a front row condo. This is a king-size bed in this unit. We have a smart TV, and I want to bring your attention to some of the things that we have in the closet. For all of my units, I subscribe to the beach service, and that is 2 chairs and an umbrella, which is set up for you on the beach every day. We also include kayaking and paddleboarding for 1 hour on the beach every day. Beach service runs from March through October. If you were to come outside of those months, you may enjoy your own chairs and umbrella, which I keep in the closet. So there's 2 chairs and an additional umbrella available all year long for you to either add to the beach service, or maybe you have young kids and you don't want to be too far from the water. You can set up your own chairs and umbrella closer to the water. Our sand here is first come, first serve, so you are able to sit anywhere you want. It's courteous to be polite, not sit directly right in front of someone, but sand is first come, first serve. In the closet, we also have a pack and play and high chair so that your infants are comfortable in this unit as well. Moving on this way is our master bath, where we have a double vanity, a nice garden-sized tub, and a very large walk-in shower. All the linens are provided. You only need to pack beach towels. This is our guest bedroom, where we have a queen-size bed, and it comes with access to the patio as well. So if you want to slip out in the morning before everyone wakes up, you have your own private door. You can just sneak out onto the patio and enjoy the quietness of the morning before things get rowdy. We have a closet over here, and this contains your sheets for the sleeper sofa. We also have a box fan. We have an air pump for your floats. We have board games. Really everything that you need is right here in the condo. This is our master bath. We have a single vanity on this side, a nice garden tub, and another very large walk-in shower. There's really plenty of space in this unit for everybody to spread out. Even with 8 people, 2 would be on the sofa bed, but you really feel like you have enough space. So this is our living area. As I've already mentioned, we have a sleeper sofa. We have a nice big smart TV. We have our wagon here for you to load up your children, or the floats or toys and chairs and all the things that I've talked about. Go right into the wagon, down the elevator, and across the boardwalk. The most fabulous thing about this unit is nothing that I've said before. It's outside the double doors. So let's go have a peek. Welcome to paradise, everybody. This is one of Waterscape's finest locations, right here in the A404 stack. From this unit, you can see the lazy river, and we have some swimmers in it. We are filming at the end of April right now, which is just a glorious time to be here. The crowds are really low. I see plenty of empty pool chairs around. The lines aren't long at the Tiki Hut, and the weather is just phenomenal right now. Beyond that is our zero entry pool, where you can see some kids splashing around in there too. We also have our lily pad course down there, which is a big hit with the kids. They will play on those ropes until they get blisters on their hands, so I recommend that you pack them some gloves. That's also on my packing list, which I will send to you about a week before you check in. Beyond that is our elevated pool deck. I don't see any adults up there. It is not an adults only area, but the children find no use to be there because there's no water. So it ends up being a nice quiet space for the adults to just lounge, and you can see the beach from up there. It's really nice. Beside that is our heated pool. That's heated seasonally. So once the summer comes, of course, we don't need the heat anymore. We turn that off. But it's nice to have a heated pool here for our winter months. I skipped the 2 hot tubs, but we do have 2 hot tubs on our lower pool deck. Behind the heated pool is our toddler splash pad with a water slide and a covered play area. It's a really great place for the littles to hang out. You can let go of them, literally, and mom and dad, you will get to relax because it is made for babies, and they can just play and splash around all day long while you rest. In addition to the physical amenities that we have here, we have lots of things going on our pool deck. We have a weekly pirate show, a weekly movie at the pool. We have a weekly race in the lazy river where you can buy ducks for $1 and they float around the lazy river, and the first one across the finish line wins. We have cornhole and bubble parties and scavenger hunts and a glow party that's really popular. Our glow party happens on Wednesday nights. The glow party and actually all the activities that I've said run from March through October. But in the summer months and on holiday weeks, we also have fireworks right on the beach. So there is just a ton of stuff to do here. One of the great things about booking at Waterscape is once you get your unit, you really don't have to leave the complex to do outside amenities because there's enough to keep you busy right here for an entire week. And there's tons of things also that you can walk to. And I provide you with all that information, but not during the video tour. So I want to point out some of the things that are on this patio. We have 2 comfy loungers here with cushions. Super nice place to lay out. We have our polywood seating here for 4. And we have our deck box, which is full of toys and floats for your kids. So you don't have to pack any of that stuff. If you will just pack yourselves, hat, sunscreen, swimsuit, beach towels. That's all you need. I hope you enjoyed my tour of A404. I am Danica on the coast. My website is rentwaterscape.com, and I hope that you will come and visit with me soon.